Have you ever brushed your teeth? Suddenly saw a little pink in the sink? You probably shrugged it off, right? But what if I told you that bleeding gums are not normal and they often the first warning sign of a much bigger, scarier problem? Stick with me, because what's happening inside your mouth might shock you. You know that uncomfortable moment when you floss and feel a sting? Or when your gums feel puffy, irritated, or just off? Maybe the bleeding only happens sometimes, so you think it's harmless? But here's the truth. Bleeding gums are your body's alarm system. And if you ignore them, the damage doesn't just stay in your mouth, it can impact your overall health, your confidence, and even your wallet. Imagine this. Every time your gums bleed, it's like having tiny open wounds in your mouth. If this happened on your arm, you'd go get help immediately. But because it's in your mouth, you tell yourself, it'll stop. Meanwhile, bacteria are slipping into your bloodstream, inflammation is spreading, and the damage is quietly building. Good news, I'm going to give you clear, step-by-step solutions, today real methods you can start at home with simple tools and a few minutes a day. But first, we need to clear up some dangerous myths. Myth 1. Bleeding gums mean I'm brushing too hard. Wrong. Healthy gums do not bleed easily. Brushing makes them bleed, it's usually because they're inflamed, not because you're too aggressive. Myth 2. It's normal if my gums bleed during flossing. Nope. If flossing makes your gums bleed, it's often because you aren't flossing enough, not because flossing is harmful. It's like exercising. The first workout hurts because your muscles are weak, not because exercising is bad. Why following these myths is dangerous. When people assume bleeding is normal, they delay getting help. And the gum inflammation quietly grows into something more destructive. Gum recession, bone loss, loose teeth, chronic infection, even risks linked to heart disease and diabetes. Ignoring bleeding gums is like ignoring smoke in your house. You don't wait for the fire, you check it now. So what's actually happening when your gums bleed? The root problem is usually gingivitis, the earliest stage of gum disease. It begins when plaque, a sticky film, full of bacteria, sits along your gum line. This triggers inflammation, swelling, and eventually bleeding. Let's break it down with simple analogies. Analogy 1. The paperclip bend to paperclip back and forth. At first it seems fine, but with every bend, the metal weakens. Your gums are similar. Repeated inflammation weakens them until one day they can't spring back. Analogy 2. A garden root in dry soil. Imagine a plant sitting in dry, cracked soil. The roots become exposed, fragile, and unstable. That's what happens when gums pull away from teeth. Your tooth roots become exposed and sensitive, and your teeth lose support. Analogy 3. Sticky glue on a countertop. Plaque is like sticky glue left on a surface. Leave it for a few hours. It's soft. Leave it for a day, it hardens. Leave it for a week, it becomes tartar, which is rock hard and impossible to remove at home. This hardened tartar irritates the gums even more, creating a cycle that worsens over time. Stage 1. Minor discomfort, day 1 to week 1. Redness, slight swelling, occasional bleeding. Most people ignore it at this stage. Stage 2. Persistent inflammation, week 1 to month 1. Bleeding during brushing and eating, gum tenderness, bad breath. This is gingivitis in full force. Stage 3. Structural damage, months, gum recession. Teeth look longer, sensitive roots, loose gum pockets where bacteria hide. This stage usually requires professional cleaning. Stage 4. Catastrophic consequences, months to years. This is where things get scary. Bone loss around teeth, teeth shifting or becoming loose, costly treatments like scaling, gum grafts, or implants. Increased inflammation in the bloodstream links to heart disease, stroke, and diabetes complications. Ignoring bleeding gums is like ignoring a leak in your ceiling. It never fixes itself. It only gets more expensive. Tip 1. The 2-minute anti-bleeding brushing routine. Do this twice daily. Use a soft toothbrush, not medium or hard. Place the bristles at a 45-degree angle toward the gum line. Gently wiggle in circles for 10 seconds per tooth surface. Brush for a full 2 minutes. Set a timer. Finish by brushing your tongue for 10 seconds. Heat angle helps clean the hidden bacteria causing inflammation.
Out.
Tip to the salt and baking soda rinse. Natural anti-inflammatory. Use this once daily for 7 to 10 days. 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup warm water, 250 milliliters. Mix until fully dissolved. Rinse for 30 seconds, spit, then rinse again for another 30 seconds. Do not swallow. Avoid eating, drinking for 10 minutes afterward. Salt reduces inflammation, and baking soda neutralizes acids that irritate gums. Every night, take 18 inches of floss. Wrap it around your fingers, leaving 2 inches in the middle. Slide gently under the gum line, forming a C-curve. Move up and down 5 to 7 times per side. This eliminates 80% of the plaque a toothbrush can't reach. If symptoms continue after 10 to 14 days, that's your sign to schedule a professional cleaning. If you learned something today, hit that like button. It supports the channel more than you know.